How to remove last seen recently in Telegram. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. So it works on both Android and iOS, so please watch until end. So firstly click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner, and then click on the settings. After that, in the settings tab, you can see the privacy and security. You have to click on the privacy and security, and then what you have to do is you can see the last seen and online. You have to click on the last seen and online in the privacy tab, and then you have to choose to nobody, and so that's basically it. And after choosing to nobody, you have done the remove the last seen recently in Telegram. So that's basically it, that how you can do this. You have to, and after that you have to click on this done button and then click on the OK, and now you are done. So that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I appreciate it.